Hi, George Petersen here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Tears for Fears, the Tipping Point Tour. Photojournalist Steve Jennings drops by to interview the audio crew on this successful summer tour, which wrapped up in late June and is now onto its UK leg. The hottest ticket on Broadway is MJ the Musical, a new show based on the life of the late, great Michael Jackson. Michael Eddy chats with sound designer Gareth Owen about bringing all the sound excitement to life. In Tale of Two Trade Shows, we look at two back-to-back conventions in 1 week, presenting our picks for the hottest sound reinforcement products from NAMM and InfoComm. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on powered 12-inch PA speakers. We present the familiar SOS speaker-on-a-stick workhorses of the industry, two-way powered 12-inch speakers that offer a punch, whether used alone or paired with a subwoofer. Returning towards normalcy, one of the first signs is clubs getting ready for reopenings. So get ready to party as we look at some recent club upgrades. In this month's road test, Steve Savanu gets the lowdown on the latest offering from DPA, a kick drum mic that takes a decidedly different approach. Are you really getting 48 volts? The concept of phantom power may be seemingly simple, but Steve Lucera points out a few facts about phantom power that you may not be aware of. In Sound Sanctuary, John McJunkin, our man in the pews, offers some proven techniques and a few slick tricks for getting a great sound from a large vocal group.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.